girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Dean Lewis and Julia Michaels in a perfect world. What a perfect match. It's a great collaboration there, a great song as well. And yeah, very easy to play as well. We love that. So let's take a look at this song. We are looking at the chords now. No need for any capo. Let's start with the A sharp sus chord there. So you place a bar here on the first fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, just 5 strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. We continue with the bar chords here. The F still on the first fret. Now you need to bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright guys, so there you have the 4 chords needed for this song. And we're going to look at the strumming pattern here. Let's grab this A sharp chord. And one strumming round will be about 8 downs in total, but we have a certain rhythm for this one, so it sounds like this. Alright, so we want to highlight certain downs here, and the ones we want to highlight is the 1st down, the 4th down, and the 7th down. So in your head you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And all the ones is the ones you want to highlight, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright. And how do I highlight them? I play a little more on the top strings, the higher notes are the ones I want to highlight. So on the 1, 4, and 7, I go down. All the rest, others, you go up and play and chew on the bass strings. So with F, for instance, it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, I think you get it. Now let's take a look at the different parts. And the great thing about this song is the verse and the chorus is played in exact same way. So you're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and you're gonna go with the chord progression A sharp to F to C to D minor. Sometimes it's C 2 times and no D minor, but most cases here it will be C1 and D minor 1 in the end there. So 1 chord progression will be one more time, so A sharp, F, C, D minor. Alright, so there you have the verses and the chorus play. Now we have just a final part left, that's a pre-chorus in the lyrics, so I'll leave when it gets too good. Alright, so that's what happened in their relation. I don't know why, but anyway, you're gonna play A sharp 1 round, D minor 1 round, and C 2 rounds. So one more time, so A sharp, D minor, and C2. And the bridge part is played in the same way as the pre-chorus just learned. So that pretty much covers Dean Lewis and Julia Michaels in a perfect world. So thank you for watching, guys. Love your support, and thank you for tuning in here. So keep on rocking here on Chord Guitar. I will do my best, and together we go forward here. Thank you for support, guys, again, and play tuned.